Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Robert. On today's video, we're going to be installing a new Phastek exhaust system for this 2016 Camaro RS. So without further delay, let's jump right in and get this thing done. What you see here is the MBRP exhaust system from Phastek that we will be installing in this 2016 Camaro RS. The car is a 3.6 liter V6 model. This kit is a bolt-on system, so no welding is required. So before we can install these nice shiny parts, we need to remove the factory muffler. We will begin by elevating the rear of the car. Next, we're going to use a tape measure and a Sharpie to make our marks at 1.5 inches behind the rear crossmember. Next, after you've double checked your measurements, you're either going to need a metal cutting blade or a reciprocating saw in order to cut the two pipes leading to the muffler. After both cuts are made, you'll need to remove the factory muffler from the 4 exhaust hangers. We will remove these 2 in the front first. To remove the hangers, you can use a flat blade screwdriver, or you could use an exhaust hanger removal tool. And for the 2 hangers on the back, gently push the muffler towards the rear diff and it will slide right out. This muffler is a little on the heavier side, so if you're not comfortable handling it yourself, you can use a jack or a friend to help you. And with the factory muffler removed, we can now begin installing the new exhaust. Next, take one of your new resonators and place an exhaust clamp on the pipe that will connect it to the car's exhaust. Then, slide the resonator into the car's exhaust hanger. And carefully wiggle the part onto the exhaust pipe, and don't tighten anything down just yet. Next, take one of the new exhaust pipes and place an exhaust clamp on the back of it. Then, carefully slide the pipe into the car's rear exhaust hanger. You may have to shuffle both pieces around a bit, but once you have them lined up, go ahead and put them together, but don't tighten anything up yet. Then, go ahead and repeat the process on the other side. Next, take one of your new exhaust tips and place it on the exhaust. Then do the same on the other side. Next, measure both ends of your exhaust to ensure that they are at an equal length. I set both on this car at 2.5 inches from the outer side of the rear bumper. Once you've measured and set your exhaust to your liking, all you need to do now is tighten everything down. You will need a 15mm socket and wrench for all 4 exhaust clamps. And once you've tightened down your exhaust clamps, you will need an 8mm Allen wrench or socket to tighten down your exhaust tips. And once you have tightened everything down, your install is now complete. I have to say, this new exhaust looks awesome. As great as this thing looks, it's time to hear how it sounds compared to the factory muffler.
That is beautiful.
How much better is that?
Way better, dude.
I know. I was like, I couldn't really do it in there so you could hear it, but it's like if you really get on it, like they howl.
Yeah, they do. Damn, that is sexy.
You like that?
I love it.
Go over, man. Just open it. Don't those sound awesome?
That is beautiful. I love it.
Well, with a reaction like that, I'd say he's pretty happy with his new exhaust. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. I really hope it helped you guys out. I also want to give a special thanks to our friend Colton for lending us the car and the exhaust to make this video possible. And if you guys like this video, please consider subscribing and also make sure to tap that bell to get notified whenever we upload a new video. So until next time guys, my name is Robert. Thank you so much for watching United Brothers, and I will see you all again real soon.